This is FX, my FX book. It's an app for getting upcoming news and current news on each currency. Now, this news tells you how important the news would affect that particular currency. As you can see by the side, you have low, low, you have medium, you have medium, you have high. So if the news is low, it means it's not really gonna have strong effects on the currency or whatever pair that currency is linked to. If it is medium, it means it may have a little effect. If it is high, that means you should wait for that particular news because it's going to have some serious effects on it. Now, remember that a currency may be used by more than one country. Okay? So sometimes if the news is coming for a particular currency, a particular country that don't actually have strong effect on the market, you will know because it will be listed there. For example, we have the USD. Canadian dollar does not have strong effects on the USD like the normal USD. So you may see a news coming from Canada, it's not really that effective. But if it's coming from the US, it's effective, and you will know them by looking at their flag. Like Euro, the major contenders in Euro is Germany, France, and Italy. So if you see a news coming from these three countries on Euro, you know it's going to be very powerful or effective. But any other country, it's not really going to be that effective. And then there are some kind of news you will see, whether low, medium, or high, it must have a strong effect. Like any news that have to do with interest rates, if the government is cutting down or increasing interest rate, it has a strong effect on that currency pair. Non-farm payroll has a strong effect on that currency pair. Okay, these are basic two news that affects it deeply. And then investors, if there is a news trending about an upcoming meeting within a particular government, another government, concerning a particular investment, you have to look out for that news, because by mere saying that so country want to invest a certain amount of money into our currency, it automatically boosts the economy of that particular country, thereby making people to actually go into investing in their currency. So it actually affects that particular currency on the forex pair. So you see most times you hear that, like the one that is happening now, that Apple want to invest over $500 billion in the US market. Japan, Huawei, the people who are into producing semiconductors, want to invest over $100 billion in Arizona, United States of America. Now, the US is going to be getting a lot of investment coming up in billions of dollars. Thereby, in the